So what are the tips? What are the significant factors that make your relationship with God work for you, and probably work for him too? How did you cultivate it?
Time, effort, and consistency. When I gave my life to God, in those years when I was young, I only hear this later. I started to pray a lot, read the Bible a lot, get to know him. One, you will not walk with someone if you don't get to know them, because you will not know what they're capable of and what they're not capable of. Now, I need to find out. For me, I had to find out, God, what are you capable of? And I found out that there's nothing he's not capable of, right? So I found out through reading the scriptures. I had not tested it yet. So you need to, I found out more about God, because it's the time, put in the effort to pray and all of that. And then I tested what I found in the book. Just like how you get tested after a test. After you've studied, you get tested to see whether you've, the knowledge that you've read,
Yeah.
you're actually able to sustain it, and you get tested. And so I was like, I must put it into practice. God says I'm a good God, and he says, so we cannot fathom the reasons why that he at times does things, because so I did that, studied a lot, and then I tested it. How did I test it? Write your vision plainly. I started doing that, and then I went further. I said, if God, you could do it for Abraham, if you could do it for Joseph, if you could get David out of that field, turn him into such a big thing, now let's start. I prayed for things that I said, this for me, God, is going to be evidence of your existence.